don't want to break my chain. I'd rather get off and walk it. I just got a whiff of either a dead animal or a fresh animal. It just smelled like a dead animal back there, a fresh, stinky bear. That was a sketchy smell. Like a wet, dead animal. And that is the problem with the mountain bike. Freaking large amount of gear on your back. Your stability is all over the place. It's fun though. This is definitely fun. But like most things, it's probably fun until it ain't. Just don't want to crash. I think I got one more mile or a half mile.